In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a full Hotmail storage issue, ensuring you can continue to send and receive emails without any interruptions. If you've ever found yourself unable to send an email because your storage is full, you'll know how frustrating it can be. But fear not, as I'll guide you through some simple steps to free up space and keep your inbox manageable. First, let's tackle those deleted items and junk email folders. These can be a hidden culprit when it comes to eating up storage space. It's quite common for these folders to accumulate an unexpected amount of emails without you realizing. Make it a habit to regularly empty these folders. This is a straightforward first step that can immediately free up some space in your account. Next up, we need to look at the emails you don't really need anymore. This might seem time-consuming, but identifying and removing emails that are just taking up space, especially those with hefty attachments, can be really effective. Old newsletters, notifications, and promotions can be deleted without a second thought. And while we're talking about attachments, it's important to note that in Outlook.com, you cannot delete attachments without deleting the entire email. What you can do is save these attachments either to your OneDrive account or download them locally to your computer. This will help keep your emails lighter and more manageable, which is a tip straight from a YouTube video by Microsoft Support. Now, let's talk a bit about OneDrive. Did you know that your Hotmail and OneDrive actually share storage? This means that if your OneDrive is reaching its limit, it could affect your Hotmail storage capacity as well. So it's definitely worth checking out your OneDrive to make sure it isn't full. You might find things you can delete or move elsewhere, freeing up additional storage space for your emails. Another effective strategy is to archive old emails. This is an excellent way to keep your inbox clean while still holding on to emails you may want to reference later. Creating an archive folder and moving older emails there can help maintain order and free up space in your main inbox. If you find that you constantly need more storage, it might be time to consider upgrading your Microsoft 365 subscription. This upgrade offers increased storage, which can be valuable if you're a heavy email user or rely on OneDrive for a lot of storage. Now, should the issue persist even after these steps, Outlook has some built-in tools to help with cleanup. You can navigate to File, then Tools, and select Mailbox Cleanup. This feature offers various options to manage space effectively. Finally, if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft Support for further assistance. They're there to help with any persistent issues and can provide guidance tailored specifically to your situation. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving your Hotmail storage issues.